A wooden owl statue sits on a stump by a stone wall. Along the deck railing, diverse potted plants, including blue flowers and lush greens, create a vibrant, sunlit outdoor sanctuary. This wooden balcony features leafy greens and herbs in various pots. Beside a small stool, the black railing offers a clear view of a city street lined with classic brick buildings. This deck holds a large planter of lettuce near black metal railings. A wooden stool, watering can, and gardening tools sit nearby, while the city skyline stretches out beyond. On white metal shelves over artificial turf, pink and white blossoms thrive. The white window frame captures a serene view of a lush backyard garden and a distant family home. Rectangular planters line this balcony's black railing, overlooking an urban horizon. A small table with a cup and saucer invites relaxation amidst the surrounding city towers. Teal planters filled with yellow and purple flowers brighten this balcony. Beyond the black railing and a wooden chair, a partly cloudy sky hangs over the distant city spires. Ceramic owls and terracotta pots decorate this wooden deck. Beside a brick wall, rows of orange and blue containers hold white blossoms and leafy greens in a peaceful setting. 3 colorful buckets, red, green, and red, sit on a concrete ledge with yellow shovels. These small herb gardens thrive outdoors against a wooden fence and deep green foliage. 3 distinct pots in gray, terracotta, and white sit on a faux grass windowsill. Pink and white blooms catch the natural light, creating a bright and cheerful indoor display. 6 colorful pots line a wooden deck before a stone wall. A white owl statue guards the healthy greenery, while the horizontal planks provide a rustic, natural garden feel. A black metal railing borders this sunlit wooden deck. Large terracotta planters overflowing with leafy greens sit near a small stool, making the most of the bright daylight. This wooden balcony displays a mix of plants in black, orange, and teal containers. A small stool sits near glass doors, offering a quiet spot to admire the outdoor scenery. Wooden shelves on a grass-covered sill hold rows of flowering terracotta pots. Through the white window panes, one can see a peaceful garden and a house nestled in trees. Red, orange, and green buckets holding fresh herbs rest on concrete blocks. Each has a yellow shovel nearby, set against a backdrop of wooden fencing and corrugated metal. A stone owl and vibrant pots of ferns and flowers line this wooden deck. Nestled between brick and wood fences, the space offers a lovely view of the neighborhood trees.